Welcome back to our cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be cooking Banga soup today and starch. So this is the beef and the goat meat I'm using. I don't want to cook it on the stove because I have something I'm doing over there. So I'm just going to put it here and wait for some minutes for it to be ready. This is the ingredients I'll be using. Just any seasoning of your choice. And that one is garlic and ginger mixed together, a little bit curry and salt, thyme and what they call it, rosemary. So those are the one I'll be using. This I already add water because this pot I can't reopen it again once it's closed. So because of that, I will just add everything I want to use and then close it. I will just turn it now. Just pressure cook. Then it says 17. I will just add 1 minute to it so it'll be a little bit soft. Then don't keep warm. Then start. Yeah. So this is the pepper I'll be using. Just going to grind it. I have small crayfish on that. Put onions. This is just 1 onion. Onions is optional. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. I just want to use some onions. This is the meat I'm using. So when I set the pot, I didn't remember to put no delay. So it delay, and then when you do not put a delay in the pot, it will just cook to some minutes, and then it will pause. The pressure cook will pause by itself and start counting. So when it paused, I just had to stop it and remove the meat inside. So they all are not ready, 100% ready, but it's still okay. I will just use that opportunity, add the banga to it, and then cook together. Remember, I live in Canada. We don't have a banga all the time, unless for people who go Nigeria, or if you do shipping thing. So this is what I will be using as my banga. Is still banga sauce, but the canned one. That's what I'll be using. So I will just leave it inside the water and the meat, all of them to done together. So that will give me time to for the meat also to done. Now we just put this pepper I just made and the onions. Remember, onions is optional if you don't want to, but I just like onions inside. So I will be using dawa iru too. So ubori, that one is called ubori. So yeah, and this one is optional too. You don't have to use it, but I will use it because I like it. So I just want to stir it around and then leave it to done. Yeah. The banga is really bangaing itself. Wow. Even if you are not ready yet. Okay, I'll put the stockfish now, and then also add these catfish. I do not really eat this catfish. I never I eat the dry one, the fresh one. I think this one will be the second time. I'm not a fan of catfish. Yeah, but Banga soup, you need this kind of fresh fish. That's why I'm using it. We'll come back for this oil. The Banga itself is almost ready. That's why the oil is out like this. I'll remove the oil later when it's done. And continue. Oh. Okay. This is so good. I'll be putting this dry fish. Micro smoke one. And this is Banga spicy. This is Banga spicy too. I'll try to remove some of the oil when I off the stove. I tried taste it because remember I have stockfish inside. Stockfish have a lot of salty and I don't know what is inside. There is a lot of stuff, like you have their own taste, very powerful. You don't have to add too much of things inside. With the things we use before, the ingredients we use before, that would just be nice, just perfect. And because we do not need the thing to be too thick, I will just add a little bit water. Because I need it a little bit water. Yes, like this. Not too thick. Okay, I'll leave it for like 5 minutes, then I'll take it down. See. Very ready. Banga soup is ready. I've already off the stove. I'll just wait for it for like 2 minutes, then I'll remove the oil from the top. Just let her cool for like 2 minutes at least. There's a lot of oil come out of this. I used 2 cups of Banga milk because we do not have, although unless if you order the milk per can, but yeah, it come out very well even with the cup one, but the oil is really a lot. You can see I don't want to eat it like that. I will just remove this oil, as many I can remove. Yes. I will continue till it almost finished. This is dried one. I have to replace. Still too warm. Stash, 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 stash. I prefer to use my hand because I want to make sure all the seed are melt. Look at them. If I'm using spoon, I might not see this one. So you first of all melt it like this. We don't need it too thick. So then you can put it on a fire and start turning. 1 tablespoon of oil. Just a little bit more for it to. Okay. Starch is a continuing process. Just be patient and keep turning. You just keep turning. Like right now, you still have a little bit seed. You can see this. I will just remove it from the fire and I keep turning to smooth it. You see the starch color from the down. The starch have, because I didn't use too much of oil, maybe that is why it's not that too yellow. Yes, I will just write it and before we are ready to eat. This is their first time of trying starch. It's still difficult for me, their mom, to cut, so everyone is learning. Is it easy? What did you think?
It is actually quite easy. The first two times I struggled with it, but now it's easy.
Okay. So is it difficult for you to cut?
Yeah, it's very hard for me.
Will you try your hand like this and press it to the ground? That's how I'm able to cut my own. You can just look your dad. Look at the way he's cutting his own.
40 years experience.
Okay. That's cool. You hear how many years is that? Hey, baby. Cut, let me see how you do yours. Wow.
Wait, it's like
No
this.
pressure, no pressure. Yeah, you did it. You did it.
You do it like this. Watch me.
There's an easier way wait for me to do it.
Oh, that's
See?
cool.
You cut
That's
it like
cool.
this. Don't allow it to be big. Just cut the whole one.
Cut the one you can swallow just one time. Because this one is different with papadodia. But anyway, there is no harm in trying. I think they like it. Did you guys like it?
Yes, I do like it.
Yes, it has a very unique and delicious taste.
Wow, that's awesome.
Great, what
Okay.
about you?
I think
You think it's get to do?
it's kind of hard for me to eat, so I don't know how to really describe the taste.
Okay.
You get used to it.
Okay, you get used to it. When we do it next time, maybe. We can even call this one the Battle of Starch today. So, okay. I had to press it down like this. I tried. I'm not from data, but I tried. See, the Banga soup makes sense. Man, this thing makes sense. As I'm cutting this banana, someone is in under this because he used to how to cut starch because I don't know how to do it. They telling me from the background, see what to do, see what to do. But the job inside starch, not be small thing. No. If you don't know how to turn starch, don't go and start it. I tell you, for the beginning it was sweet. Later, I see that turning of starch is not for small children. I leave it for mature hand. We start. I run away. Now God finished turning it to. But the thing makes sense, sha. Starch makes sense, sha. And that one enter well. Okay. Enter well. Enter. I say you first of all put hand for water. My water they come and there. You can't use this hand, nail and change ground. Open a battle. See? If they get up, it's okay. Then, you. It makes sense very well. Thank you for watching.